Ever wondered if you could grow your own blueberry bushes from store-bought blueberries? Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own fresh, juicy blueberries right from your backyard. Intrigued by the idea? Today, we will guide you, step by step, on how to turn those store-bought blueberries into thriving bushes. First, gather the necessary supplies. A ripe blueberry is your starting point. You'll also need a pot, a home for your future bush. Add potting soil, rich in nutrients, and water, the lifeblood for any plant. Now that you have all the necessary supplies, it's time to get started. Ready to plant those blueberries? Let's dive right in. Start by gently washing your blueberries to extract the seeds. Once you have your seeds, prepare your pot with nutrient-rich soil. Create a shallow hole, no deeper than ½ an inch. Place your seeds in the hole and gently cover them with soil. Finally, give your newly planted seeds a generous drink of water. Remember, not too much, just enough to moisten the soil. With the blueberries now planted, your job is to ensure they grow healthily. Growing blueberry bushes requires care and patience. It's essential to ensure that the plants receive ample water, but be careful not to overwater. Sunlight is another crucial factor, as blueberries thrive in bright, direct sunlight. Protection from pests is equally important. Regularly check for signs of pest infestation and take appropriate measures to keep them at bay. Remember, consistent care is key to the growth and development of your blueberry bushes. By providing proper care, you will soon see your blueberries grow into healthy bushes. Growing your own blueberry bushes from store-bought blueberries is a rewarding experience. We've walked through the key steps: gathering supplies, planting the berries, and nurturing them into thriving bushes. It's more than just the joy of nurturing life. It's about the satisfaction of harvesting your own fresh, juicy blueberries. Remember, every great garden started with a single seed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.